Create a simple rectangle, apply a color fill, and reduce the opacity. Next, go to the effects section and select the glass option. Set the radius to 100% because the glass effect does not work properly on circular shapes. Adjust the settings based on your requirements. Your basic glass effect is now ready. Now, let's create the glass effect using another method. Create a frame. Apply a border radius. Add a linear background blur. Apply a border radius. Then apply a subtle white fill and a drop shadow to achieve a light bending effect. Next, create another frame. Apply a fill and add a texture effect to create the glass distortion. Finally, place the rectangular frame inside a circular frame for a stronger glass effect. That's it. Your glass effect is ready. Both methods work well, but the second approach offers more flexibility.